electric the
Megatron.
do some. I don't need
Stop playing. Come on.
saving. All
Am I the only one in here?
here for
This ain't right.
Hey guys, so today we have another Transformer custom review. This time it's for the Studio Series Core Class Mohawk from the Last Night movie. As you recall from the Last Night movie, we actually did not have any Mohawk figure. So this Mohawk is the first official Mohawk that we have ever gotten for this character. The original Studio Series Mohawk actually have only gray plastic colors going on over him, and then he also have a little of green highlights. But in overalls, he only has two colors, and of course the wheels are painted in black, or they made of black plastic colors. But everything else was just gray plastic and greenish colors. But now, after I custom painted him, this is what it look like right now. So all of his body got covered with that silver or grayish looking colors. Initially it was very bright silver, but then because I noticed that it's not accurate to the movie design, so I tried to dim down the silver colors with a lot of black, that resulting in this look right now, which is a lot of dirtiness onto the silver surface. So let's quickly go over how I paint these figures. I use just this permanent marker silver right here and color all of the areas on the figures. Basically on the black gray plastic area, I make them silver looking by just using Sharpie. And then I use the acrylic silver paint right here just to paint over that permanent marker silver. After that, because the figures look quite shiny with just that silver, so I actually use a little of acrylic black to put in there as well. Put a tiny bit onto the tips of the brush and then brush them just to dim down the colors on some part. And look at the result now. You can see that this is his face. It looks silver and dirtiness. I think I really like that look because now it just gives a sense that it's more realistic, you know? It's closer to the CGI model. And of course, for the actual teeth over here, original colors also got a little gold, but I also put a little extra gold on there. I think that actually looks really nice. As we go to the chest region, you can see that this was just look like for the chest right now. All of that silver and black. As we go to the bottom of the figure, you can see that it's going everywhere. I even paint the jaw as well, so that's why the jaws for these figures is now even tighter on here. With some of the extra paint being on the bone jaw, just increase the amount of friction that we get. Here is for the legs, and of course those got covered in silver. You can see that the inner colors over here, they actually closer to the initial silver after I paint with Sharpie and metallic and acrylic silver. And then when I brush the black on here, it's actually make the mold pop a little more. So you can see that we have 4 different knife, it's weapon. So that's really cool. To go down here, this gold part is already on the original colors of the figures. So as those black, I think they are the original color as well. A little in here that's not painted, so you can see that that is like the inside of the inner legs over here. That is the original gray plastic colors for these figures. Here's just the other side. Look at the wheels. So the inner part right next to the black that we have in here, those are the original plastic as well. So you can see that it's very pale, kind of brownish color plastic. I just did not like that colors. I think now he look much better. Just look more fit in with all of my other custom. Gosh, I think I really like these figures because initially I want a core class figures of Mohawk, but I didn't expect it to be this good. It just looks so accurate, and like his transformation is not even hard. It's very easy, very simple, very enjoyable to actually transform him back and forth. And the result is pretty stunning. It's just he a little skinny and a little hard to stand. But other than that, he's a very well done figure. Definitely worth like $10 for his sale price. And then you can see that for the Mohawk, actually the initial figures did not have that green on there. I basically just put the acrylic silvers on there, and then I put a little of acrylic green on there. And let's do a quick comparison. So here is our Mohawk. Let's put in Studio Series Bumblebee. So this is of course not the Last Night Studio Series Bumblebee. It's the Studio Series 49 Bumblebee, but he has the Battle X Battle Hammers in here. And I think those two scale really nice together. In the movie, those two were the one that interact with one another. Probably the most between an Autobots and a Decepticon. And of course, Bumblebee was the one who finished him off and then even shot off his head. But look at that scale. I think that scale perfectly. Look at knife weapon as well. It's perfect for stabbing Bumblebee. I have wanted a studio series Mohawk for so long, so I was so happy when they announced these figures, and when they reviewed the design of these figures, it just spot on. Let's take out Bumblebee. Of course, let's put in his special mate for the Decepticon team, Nitro Zeus. I really enjoy those two in the movie. They have a lot of funny lines together. They just fit in with one another. Their personality is so badass. They are the comedy duo. And look at the custom pen on both of them. When they put them together, I think they just fit in so nicely. It's perfect. I can't wait until we get a new Nitro Zeus, so that I can make another custom that look even more accurate than this Nitro Zeus. Let's take him out. Of course, we cannot forget the leader of the Decepticon himself, thelastknight Megatron. Look at that. Those two also look so nice together. Of course, the scale is not perfectly well done, but those two custom figures, I just think they looks really good together. Let me know what you think in the comment. This guy is very easy to custom paint, so I definitely recommend you guys just do a quick custom paint on your Mohawk figures and he will look just much more enjoyable. If you want him, get him. Good luck. Hey, you. Yes, you. Subscribe to our channel. Please, otherwise Megatron might kill me again. And no, I'm not kidding. He's right there. Hey, Josh. So please, subscribe. I don't want to be back in 2 pieces. Your subscription means a lot to us.